Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Mercury Monterey, a perfect blend of classic heritage and modern innovation. From its striking exterior to its powerful performance, let's see what this car has to offer. At first glance, the 2025 Monterey commands attention with its bold front fascia. Mercury has retained its signature grille design but given it a modern twist. The LED headlights are sleek and provide excellent visibility, and the aerodynamic hood design adds to its aggressive stance. The body lines flow smoothly, giving it a premium look. This model sits on 19-inch alloy wheels, with an optional 21-inch upgrade. Mercury has ensured that the Monterey stays true to its legacy while embracing contemporary styling. Moving to the back, the 2025 Monterey features a sculpted rear end with LED taillights that stretch across the trunk. The dual exhaust system hints at the power under the hood, and the subtle spoiler adds a touch of sportiness. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a luxurious cabin that combines comfort with technology. The dashboard is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment screen with Mercury's latest UI. The premium leather seats come with heating, cooling, and massage functions, making long drives a breeze. The steering wheel is wrapped in high-quality leather with multifunctional controls, giving you access to all key features without taking your hands off the wheel. There's also an optional heads-up display that projects vital driving information onto the windshield. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Monterey comes with two engine options, a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 pushing 400 horsepower and an optional 5.0L V8 delivering 500 horsepower. Both are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth yet responsive drive. For those looking for efficiency, Mercury also offers a plug-in hybrid variant with an estimated 35 miles of electric range. On the road, the Monterey feels refined and powerful. The adaptive suspension adjusts to different driving conditions, providing a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or taking sharp corners. The noise insulation is top-notch, keeping the cabin quiet even at high speeds. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2025 Mercury Monterey starts at around $45,000, while the fully loaded version with the V8 and premium package can go up to $65,000. The plug-in hybrid variant sits in the middle, starting at approximately $50,000. So, is the 2025 Mercury Monterey worth it? If you're looking for a car that delivers a perfect balance of performance, luxury, and classic American design, this might just be the one for you. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews on Tire Talk.